Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about framework, new framework laptop 16. So friend, framework introducing the laptop 16, and friend, this enables an incredible range of the use cases and deep personalization for gamers, creators, engineers and more. And friend, when starting the design of a larger screen laptop, one of the key question was number paid and no number paid. After performing some market research, we found that here is almost exactly 50 by 50 split between people who love and need number pairs and people who hate them. We use this as an opportunity to not only let you pick your preference there but also completely customize the input experience. And friend, input module come in three sizes: small, medium and large. And friend, many of the small module option enable color customization, so it also possible to build functional module like an LED matrix or haptic slider. And friend, with the laptop 16, we were delivering on a dream that we have many given up on: upgradable modular graphics in high performance notebook. And friend, the PCIe X8 interface enables a range of other non-graphic use cases that need both high power and high speed. And you have developed a dual M.2 SSD card that can drop into an expansion base cell, allowing for an additional 16 TB of storage. And the framework laptop 16 also brings the expansion card system from the framework laptop 13, letting you use which ports you had like on each side, along with adding other functionality like high speed storage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.